Did I say that? Get that right. There we go. What's she gonna feel?
Stick, sting, and a burn.
There it is. Stick, sting, and a burn. Ooh, I see a punctum. Do you know what do you know what a punctum is?
No, doctor.
A punctum is the opening where if this was going to drain, it would probably drain. So we're just injecting a little bit, what is this, 1% lidocaine with epinephrine buffered.
Okay. Yes.
With, what do we go, 5% or 10%? Are you 5% or 10%? We're 10% buffered.
10.
10% buffered. A little sodium bicarb. Okay, yeah, there's the punctum right there. Can you see that, Gummy Gene, right
Yes.
there? All right. So now you have received the initial injection. Now we're going to do a secondary injection.
All right, doctor.
I heard that you used to eat Play-Doh.
You did?
When you were
Somebody
in
was
grade
not
school.
telling you the truth.
You didn't eat something about you liked the pink Play-Doh.
I would like the pink because that's my signature shade.
Is it really?
Yes, it is. Pink.
Wonderful, wonderful. There we go. I think we're adequately anesthetized tonight.
You did.
Yep, I watched that movie Hotel Rwanda.
Is it good?
Oh, it's amazing. It's tragic too, but it's amazing.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I gotta check it out then.
Yeah. It happened, it's set in the 90s during the genocide that occurred in Rwanda, but it's a fascinating story. So you definitely have a cyst here that is inflamed, and we're getting some stuff out, and it's gonna start feeling better here. But I think we're gonna be able to get in there and get the sac. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
I'm gonna do my best.
He's having actually do surgery today on me.
Oh, it gave me something fun to do.
Well, that's good. I always aim to bring excitement to your practice.
Oh, I've been playing video games all day. Isn't that right, Gumby Jean?
You know, guys, I have never been in here and it's been this quiet, ever.
I know.
That's because of the new electronic record system now. We don't have to spend our time on the phone so often with patients. We have a portal system that allows us to directly message them with questions, issues, refill notices, lab results, CT results.
She told me I can't actually talk to a live person for an appointment, doc.
You can, but we charge extra for that now.
Are you going to charge extra for me?
No.
That's the only thing I love the portal is I still like to talk to a live person.
Well, now, with the portal, you'll be able to do virtual visits with us completely. Then we might find ourselves in a situation where the fluid buildup could occur again. It could kind of abscess, and it would cause pain to our friend Plato. Here it is. I got it. All right. So 1 stitch is all you're going to get. It's all your insurance covered. Just 1
Oh,
stitch.
just 1 stitch? Okay, you know how it is. We pay a lot for this insurance, too.
You got the 1 stitch plan. For sure. All right, we're going to make a little incision here. Hopefully, you're not going to feel it. We're going to make the incision with the wrinkle lines on the face, okay? So that means that when this heals, it should be very, very able to, or should blend in, I should say, quite well with your face. I'm already seeing the cyst here. So that's interesting.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Right there. So I'm going to set this down, and we're just going to see if you give me the curved forceps, please, ma'am. Can you see this, Mama Homer?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
It's right there.
It's really big.
It's so superficial. I'm thinking this is more likely to be an epidermoid cyst than a lipoma.
Are you feeling anything? You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing fine.
He's just nervous, right? You're just a little nervous? All right, let me set this down and get the forceps.
More excited to get this off my face.
Yeah?
Wearing the end of, he takes Band-Aids and he cuts them. And
Oh,
he
yeah.
puts over it.
He doesn't like it, I know. Scissors, please.
Reminds him of that Austin Power movie with that one who has a mole on his face. Moly.
Holy moly or something like
Yeah.
that? Or whatever that is.
He said that's what he feels like because people look right at it.
Well, that's what I thought. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's
Oh, goodness.
yeah. Let's capture that. I'll get it.
Yummy.
So the
See, I
pressure
used to
was
make
just
this
too
stuff
much.
for 'em.
Can you see that?
Wow.
So we're gonna have to go ahead and just squeeze that and empty it. But clearly we have an epidermoid cyst on the side of the face here.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah. There's a lot in there.
That's huge.
You feeling okay, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
You're going to be happy to lose this little friend.
Yeah, you
Oh,
may
yeah.
not want to watch this video. I think you'll be impressed. I think. Yeah, I think it's a little bit disturbing.
Our children wouldn't watch it.
Let me have that curved forcep, please,
We're not
ma'am.
gonna look.
Ooh, it sure has an aroma.
Well, now you're saying that, not me.
I can't smell a thing.
Can't sell
Not
you.
me either. I don't ever
It's
smell.
coming on out here. I don't even think we have to really cut. I think we just can tease it. Sometimes these things will just come on out. Sometimes they won't. But this one looks like it's going to cooperate with this
Yeah.
and come on out, doesn't it?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Pretty amazing, huh, Mrs. Homer?
Yeah.
Marge.
Marge.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we are at the bottom of the sack there, so if you will give me the scissors, please, ma'am.
I told him it probably looks like cottage cheese.
It looked to me more like cream cheese.
Yeah,
do you
cream
think?
cheese.
We're definitely, the whole sack is definitely out. That's just some scar tissue, connective tissue that's coming out with it right there. You feeling any pain, buddy? Okay.
Ooh, there was some pain.
Oh, well, guess what? It's out.
It is.
I guess we get a little pain at the right time. Let's get a little flush in there. Did you
Okay.
bring me a little flush?
Yep.
Okay, and another 4x4, please, ma'am.
I've got it.
Thank you. We're just gonna do a little flush, make sure there's no debris in there. I don't think there is, but let's just make sure. Okay, here we go. Let's let that bubble out for a moment.
To me, that looks gross.
The bubbling?
The bubbling.
Well, I just like to be sure there's no debris in there that'll slow down the healing. And they don't, if it's a cyst, they don't get the sac, obviously. And as a result, because it's too painful if you don't have anesthesia. And as a result, they end up with a much bigger mess than they started out with.
It amazes me how many people I see on YouTube that actually try to. They do what you do in the video, but at home and not
Sure.
with the right stuff. Nuts.
I just wanted to clean that up a little bit. I took my gloves off, but I believe I'm making any contact. All right. Guess what, Mr. Homer?
Hey folks, are you wondering how to boost your immune system to help protect yourself in cold and flu season? Well, maybe it's time for you to stock up on Meta 7. Meta 7 ingredients like B12 and B6 are the building blocks to a healthy immune system. In fact, according to health.com, vitamin B12 is a powerhouse. It helps, quote, make DNA, nerve and blood cells, and is crucial for a healthy brain and immune system, end quote. If you're over 50, don't eat a balanced diet, or suffer from fatigue and could use a nice boost, then try Meta 7 today. There are Amazon links in the description below. Order today with Amazon Prime.